Morning guys! Ngayon naman gagawa ako ng cheese omelette. 3 eggs. Mix it. Add some salt. Add some pepper. Mix it again. Put the olive oil. Ilagay ko na rin yung butter. Then, I put the egg mix. I'm mixing it. Continue mixing. Guys, okay na siya. Ngayon naman, maglalagay tayo ng mozzarella cheese. Half cup mozzarella cheese. Guys, kailangan hindi mainit ang inyong stove para hindi masunog ang inyong egg. Next step, pupold na natin. Sa gilid, then fold. Guys, ready na yung omelette natin with mozzarella cheese.